The purpose with which this meeting, together with the Revenue Secretary and also the Chairman of CBDT and also CBIC, is these meetings are being held all over the country, and this is the 6th such meeting that we are holding. Meeting where we are collectively addressing the tax administrators of income tax or the indirect taxes, the GST and others. The objective is to make sure that the message that tax enforcement authorities should function more as tax facilitators is the primary objective with which the message has got to be passed, and therefore that's the primary objective with which we are meeting with all these tax administrators. Essentially because we want to make sure that tax administrators function to enable small, medium, large industries in their compliance, tax compliance related matters. So as I said, this is the 6th place. In most of the destinations we are going to tier 2 towns, but in Tamil Nadu it was felt that Chennai would be a convenient place for all of them to come and assemble, because Pondicherry is also under the Tamil Nadu zone. So we've held it here. It was a very useful meeting in the morning. The performance of this area was also reviewed, and it was underlined that the targets given for collection, revenue generation, are not unrealistic, and therefore the authorities need not overstretch themselves, do any overreach which might lead to the taxpayer feeling that he is being harassed or unnecessary pressures being put on him. So that was the larger message. The performance of the area has been very good, particularly customs, the GST related, and also the income tax. All three of them have made special efforts to reach out to the assessees so that they can facilitate them to get their dues. Any refunds which have been pending are being helped so that they get it within the given time. And also for the income tax, they've gone into the premises of those who employ big numbers of people, just so that they can facilitate them to have easy compilation, and if they had any doubts they could explain it there and then. So the transition in the mindset of being a tax enforcement authority to moving to becoming a tax facilitating authority is already happening, and I can see it. The performance report which has been presented to us is very clearly suggestive of that. So that's where we are. First thing first, I've had the automobile industry also come and meet us during that week-long consultation that I held with different sectors. As a result of the consultation that I held with automobile, both the component manufacturers and also the automobile manufacturers, is a set of announcement that I've made in the first tranche of announcement that I came up with on August 23rd. And the measures were very clearly spelt out. And the inputs that I'm getting from the sector is that it can have a positive impact. So that is one thing. Over and above that, as and when I go, like today particularly, I'm meeting with the automobile sector in the afternoon, and some representatives were here already. As regards any suggestion or request coming on the GST rate cut business, it is not entirely in my hands. It has got to go to the GST Council, and the GST Council, where all the state finance ministers assemble, it is for them to take a call. I have suggested to them that I'll take it to the GST Council, but the final decision will be theirs. So that is one thing said. Second, from the central government side, we've already very clearly said that the depreciation rate, which is at the moment existing at 15%, this year we will increase it by another 15%, so the total will be 30% for depreciation. So that's also been already mentioned. Other than that, the BS4 to BS6 vehicle and the inventory which is getting piled up, we have very clearly said everything will benefit by the depreciation that we've announced, and there shall not be a confusion on the basis of Government of India looking at promoting EVs. We want all vehicles to have their due market share. It's not as if we are pushing one at the cost of the others. All this has been explained, but specifically on the GST, I'll wait for the council to take a call.